Experiencing issues with the three-tap gesture on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Many users report this skip-back function failing. The good news is, most causes are software-related and easily fixable. Start by ensuring your AirPods and iPhone are running the latest software versions. Go to Settings, General, About, and check your AirPods firmware. An outdated system is a common culprit. Next, try a reset. Place your AirPods in their case, open the lid, and hold the setup button until the status light flashes white. Finally, make sure 3 taps is enabled for skip back. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods. Clean your AirPods and be sure to tap on the indented area of the stem for best results. These steps resolve the issue for most users. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consider potential Bluetooth conflicts that can interfere with gesture recognition. Intermittent failures often occur with older iPhones due to compatibility issues. A less common issue is a defective stem sensor, which is covered under Apple's warranty. If you suspect hardware damage, contact Apple support for assistance. Looking ahead, Apple is exploring AI-enhanced gesture controls that adapt to your tapping habits for better reliability. Future AirPods models may incorporate haptic feedback to confirm successful gestures. As voice command technology improves, physical taps may become less essential, with Siri handling more playback controls. Make sure you are not in noise cancellation mode. Toggle to transparency mode if needed to resolve most issues and ensure skip back works.